exhausted. Good morning, guys. Today I was thinking of no streaming, but I think we'll do short stream. I think there's a chance that the girls will cancel our date today because it's raining in Korea. It's actually raining really hard in Korea, guys. Mama. Good morning. Was there any updates related to Minijin and the K-pop yesterday? Oh, I don't think so. Let's do some hair pong. I want to go go to salon. Oh, 6 or 7. Wait, but then that means if I don't stream and I pretend I didn't wake up, then yeah, I just got caught, guys. 잠깐만. Why you ask me that question, farmer? Good morning, guys. 꽁꽁 얼어붙은 한강 위로 고양이가 걸어다닙니다. Did you guys see our reels? Is that really well made? I actually was trying to figure out how they made it, and I guess Sora knew how to do it. Did you see like Sora and ours? Sora and mine? I get offended and upset when people cancel the day of. Oh really? I don't really give a crap. Actually, if people, maybe because I think I'm an introvert. Well, I guess it depends on like who I'm hanging out with, but the fast forwarding makes it look cute. I know. I was surprised we figured out how to make the video, and it's been really fun. So I think she and I are going to try to do different reels challenge for my Instagram, cause that Instagram is kind of like effed up. How casual the plan is. Yeah, oh yeah, definitely, I agree. And I've also canceled a lot last minute, so yeah. It does vary. I do have to agree. There are some events where I'm like, wow, you like were okay hanging out with your friend like the other day, but I don't think I'm as, you know, intense about it. Oh. Guys, there was a huge issue yesterday. Huge drama. One of my guy friend, so I was gonna ask my friend that, like, I was gonna ask our guy friend saying, hey, you know, like, can you introduce me to some guys so that I can give it to my friends? And then he was like, oh well, like, can you get me some girls too? Like, so my friend found 2 girls, like one individual. 2 of my girlfriends found a girl for my guy friend. We gave him the picture and then her information, and all of a sudden he goes, oh, I don't think she's my type. Sorry. I was really pissed off. It's like, I don't know. It's like, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I said. He's not desperate enough. But it's like, at least you could have met once. But now that I think about it, if the guy has to spend a lot of money, then that's a different story, right? Right? Like, one was from Purdue, born 1994, ETC. But I don't think he's that desperate. I agree with you. If he was that desperate, then it would have been like, no, but yeah, honestly, right now is like a perfect dating like experience age, because I mean, a lot of girls want to get married, but at the same time, they expect a lot. So. And all the guy friends that I knew of are taken. And it's like, I don't have any guy friends at work. It was kind of shocking. I went through my Kakao list and it was all girl. 뭐 Sora, 뭐 누구, 통이요, etc was like girl. Sorry guys, I have no guy friends. And all the guy friends that I know of, they're all taken. So. I mean, if it's like an NBA game, then that's a different story. But if it's like, hey guys, like, are we having dinner? And then it's like, oh, well, like, I got something coming up. I'm like, okay. Time to start hooking up the interns? Ah. In Korea? Cafe and bakery, social place to meet. I mean, you could, but like, it'd be weird. 오늘 피부 되게 예쁘게 화장됐다. My makeup looks super nice today. I did base. Been practicing my makeup, guys. 아이고 Easter. So I had to do like last minute get guys last minute find like available guys. So I ended up contacting my sister-in-law because she also works at a company and I think there's a lot of guys there. So I was like, do you have any guy friends? She had like 2. I was like, wow. I was like, oh, here are like the girls' information, tell me if you're interested. Okay, so today I am super exhausted. I actually woke up early this morning, 7:30, went out for the gym. I came back at 8:15 because I didn't want to be late for stream. I wanted to try to make it 9, but... Even I just do make shower, dry hair. This isn't like fully even dried, but if I do shower, dry hair, and like base makeup, I just did foundation and the blush so you can see a little bit pinky, then and I'm late. I did have breakfast though. I had half an egg and then cereal with blueberry. That was good. I've been really interested in health and like being fit and everything lately, that it's been like we're eating so healthy. I started making Mia almond milk, which was pretty interesting. I never thought I'd like the taste, but it tastes like milk. I was actually surprised, so that's been something fun that I've been doing. Oh, and you guys need to watch Queen of Tears. Must watch K-drama. That's been like so popular lately in Korea that if you guys don't watch it. Is it powder based? Oh no, I actually grind the almond milk, like almond, and add water and a bit of salt and honey, and then it's not that bad. So that's been like my healthy drink, and I've been, you know, like this is okay, we're gonna put on the 39 plus stream on, but this has been kind of like, I've also been looking into what it's important for guys to make their little like babies. You know, they're soldiers. And they say almond is good. There's like chive also apparently was good, so I've been like feeding him. Eat, you must make lots of soldiers. Yeah, actually we had 장어 like 2 days ago, but we cooked it at our house, but it wasn't good, so he ended up feeling bad about it. I felt bad. He had a stomach pain, so I think we're gonna just go with meat. But apparently almond is good. Almond is like really good for guys and girls, So, yeah. Oh, wow, today I just want to chill and not do anything. I mean, that's what we did yesterday, right? But we're gonna read some news for maybe short time today because I have to leave by 12:15. Really, this time, like, you guys cannot grab onto me. And I also have to finish my makeup, so I have 3 hours today. Why did I book a schedule like this? I hate going outside. It's so exhausting. Don't give me that face, girl. So that's what I'm planning to do, but in the meantime, we have to do one K-pop music video reaction and or no, two. And then talk about programming. So let's read some news. Cause 17 is coming out soon, along with Oogie came out, and something happened. Someone came out too. I wanted to react to Boys Next Door. I don't have anything to upload on my YouTube yet, so. But we're almost at 9,000 followers. We have actually 1,500 subscribers left until I hit 10k. Not bad. Kind of proud of myself. But yeah, I guess going outside is definitely gonna be fun. I don't like going outside. Okay, guys, let's read some news. Let's see. Why are there so many good news, guys? It makes me so upset and angry that I don't have time to read all the news. And the fact that these girls were up till 1 in the morning worries the crap out of me. I have a feeling maybe it's gonna be like okay, let's cancel. Which is actually good, so that I can do some more PC streams. Good news first. But okay. Okay. By the way, on the way home from yesterday with Sora, she looked so exhausted. Just by doing that dance, like the shorts that she was doing, she was just so exhausted. I was just laughing at her. I was like, wow. So I guess she really hates dancing outside, like comedy stuff. But it's understandable. A lot of streamers really don't like that. Anyways, yes, today's earnings, tomorrow's earnings, I missed out yesterday's earnings, so if it's okay for you guys, let's start from yesterday and move on. There was Verizon, SAPI, sorry, Alvo, and Cadence is maybe how you pronounce that. So we're gonna quickly look at that. Let's do... what was the place that I always looked at my stocks? Let's go there. Wow, actually today's performance was not bad. But just in general, it's actually doing better than expected. So Verizon had their earnings heard yesterday. Let's see. So yeah. Oh, I guess here E is meant for earnings. Oh wait, I can't do that. Oh. So as earnings got reported, it did go on a huge drop. before even this happened before. So right now it's at $39.70. So maybe their earnings wasn't as good as they wanted to be. Yeah, so it seems that Verizon stock falls after revenue misses expectations. So they did miss their expectations. Not bad, not bad. It's a very steady graph, guys. It's actually really shocking. Not that bad. They had a huge downfall. What happened? Wait, why really did Verizon go down this much, guys? Look at us. Do you think you'll have a chance to bounce back up? I always find those graphs interesting when they make it into like a cat. Oh, okay. You know? Okay. You draw the whiskers, right? And say, hey, it's the mountain of increasing. I don't know. I always wanted to try that, but anyways. How was their earnings? That's a great question. Should we just quickly like skim over their earnings to see how they did? But it seems that their revenue was missed compared to their expectations. So let's see. Will you let me read it? That's what I was thinking. F you Wall Street Journals. Okay, we're gonna find a different article. Just give me a second. Yeah. Wait. So actually it beats... Okay. Beats first quarter earnings estimates, but missed on the revenues. Sorry guys, we're gonna zoom in for you guys. Paywalls? Yeah. What can you do, right? So started 2024 on a positive note, registering relatively modest first quarter result with the bottom line beating the Zacks consensus estimate. But the top line missing the same, so... Was this their this is their stock price. So their net income was $1.09 per share compared to $1.17 per share prior year quarter. And then quarterly adjusted earnings were 1.15 per share compared to 1.20 per share for their prior year quarter too. And then they said that the revenue was missing, right? Didn't met expectations. So quarterly total operating revenues increased to 32 million. What? How do you read this? Eh? $32,981 million? 뭔 소리야? But anyways, what their quarterly total operation revenue did increase. What is the segment revenue? Due to lower wireline and wireless equipment revenue. Segment revenues. Partially offset by growth in wireless service revenue. What is? So I guess people are using less wireless equipment and moving on more with wireless service. This article was such a hard article to read. Prepaid or postpaid plans more popular? I don't think so. But let's read this. Maybe this is easier. Quarter 1 earnings, 3 things customers should know. What is it? Okay, so their adjusted earnings per share came out higher than expected, which is $1.15 per share against the expected $1.12, while revenue missed estimates 32.98 billion. Okay, so that was supposed to be billion dollars. I think I read a really weird article. And against an is expected 33.21 billion. Ah, okay. Guys, give me a second. I also want to get some my tablet. I use my tablet mostly for eating or like not eating, but for like watching stuff that it's kind of filthy. I need to clean my tablet. I wanted to start kind of taking notes on what I study because it's not like my brain is super dead from I think all the social media like short form platform that it's really hard for me to concentrate. So I wanted to start kind of like note keeping and maybe use it for something. I don't know. Because I realize a lot of the smart people, what they do is they actually start a blog and write down what they learned. So that's what I'm going to try. I'll try to be a smarty pants. So maybe I should start a blog about what I study on Twitch. A vlog? Not a vlog, but a blog. Vlog. As the Koreans would say. Except I dropped my my tablet, so I was really sad. Yeah, actually I would use Notion, but since I'm sharing it with you guys, it's kind of hard for me to use Notion, so... But... Anyways, moving on! Dude, even my pen has this like... You guys know I use Notion a lot. Notion is really helpful, but in terms of like doing other stuff, it's not that helpful. Anyways, so we're doing Verizon. Verizon. So the company posted a lower than expected loss in postpaid phone connection. Postpaid phone connection, a loss of 68,000 phone customers, while analysts anticipated loss of 100,000 subscribers. I mean, it makes sense not to use Verizon, guys. As a streamer, Verizon sucks. So I guess the only thing that we needed to know about Verizon was that their earnings per share came out higher, but their revenue was missed compared to the expectations. Not bad. But I do want to know why why they had a huge drop in 2020. So maybe Yahoo would Verizon would be a fun company review to do. Next is SAP. Actually, SAP is doing, just in general, really good. If you guys had it since last year, they are a really succeeding company. Apparently, it's a Europe company, and it's a business software. It seems like what they are. SAP. Espa. I'm on the next level. Huh. Back in the day with company discount, I paid like $63. That's actually really cheap, no? So SAP is at $188. It's really high. So they must be doing really well. And then it seems that their earnings... Oh, they had a huge increase of $8, guys. This is amazing. So their earnings report must have been really good. Q1 2024, okay. So cloud revenue up 24% and up 25% at constant currencies. So current cloud backlog of 14.2 billion euros. Cloud, what is cloud backlog, guys? Cloud backlog. I need to write in the corner like terms I don't know. Cloud backlog. So IFRS cloud gross profit up 27%. What is IFRS, guys? How was the rest of the last stream with Sora? It was really fun. She was exercising, guys. It seems so that SAP is being used with many companies. I did hear a little bit about SAP. So it seems most of their profit was a huge increase. Right? And so Christian Klein, I don't know how to pronounce the last name, saying it was we started off with a good start. So, do they run a cloud service? Business software. There's definitely some companies I would be interested in seeing. Yeah. Whatever. Just in general, I think they were having a good thing. Yeah, since most January on record cloud backlog growth. Next is last was Cadence? Cadence? Is it Cadence? Oh, there's two. I'm guessing it was finance. So Cadence also increased from yesterday's earnings. Okay. Do they have like a... So they surpassed Q1 earnings. Ooh. Is EPS expected price per share? 아닌가? What is EPS? So every time they do so well in their quarterly earnings, then it's a very good thing. We use it for our account payable purchasing. Account payable. Earnings per share. Thank you. Why did I think expected? You're so smart. Financial software. Is it really well made? Do you think it's really well made? So their earnings per share reported was 62 cents, which is above the estimated 55 cent per share, 55 cents. And their revenue was $437.69 million, which is better than they have estimated of $427.18 million. Doing good, doing good. So that's what happened yesterday, and today is the favorite day. Let's start off with everyone's probably favorite one, Tesla. Right, guys? Say ho to Tesla. So their earnings was today. It did maybe have like a $4 increase. It's here. They did report it's an earning day. It's actually really well made, guys. But their general trend is such a big downward trend. You can see maybe this line is indicating. Okay. That's actually really sad, guys. What's going on, Tesla Opar? Oh, what are you doing? Da 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 da. Expense reporting, tracking employee business expenses. Oh, there's apps for everything these days, right? Let's see. Okay, so I think the layoff had a huge part of this. I know you guys gave me an article related to the layoff, but Tesla's Q1 revenue falls 9%. Revenue falls 9%. But I think it's a time where... Oh, it's this one? Did I find the right one? I thought I had it too here. I'm a pro, guys. I can now read which news are good. It's my news study. It's not this one? Okay, let me find that one then. No! Okay, I've reached my article limit. Register for free to continue using... Oh, really? Do I have to not pay? Okay, I'm gonna trust this guy. So if I register, I can read for free. That's what he says. Come on. Let me sign up. Oh, no, I'm not in Kenya. They actually put me in Korea. Let's be in Korea then. Sorry guys, just signing up, making an account. I don't want to oh. Sorry, I love how they make me confirm my email address twice, but not the password. Does it not matter anymore? My industry... let's go technology. My job role, let's do others. Job level, let's say I'm a student. Oh my god, can you skip and give me the articles? Man. Okay, now I have to do a confirmation email, guys. I'm a CEO, thank you. You make me sound so fancy. I haven't gotten an email yet. 뭐지? What are some emails out there? Oh, here you go. Okay. Sorry guys, this took a while. We are all Gucci. Perfecto. Now, he shouldn't ask me. So Tesla said it will lay off 6,000 employees, guys, in Texas and California ahead of its quarterly results on Tuesday, when CEO Elon Musk is expected to outline the electric vehicle maker's strategy to combat slowing demand and falling margin. So last week, Tesla announced more than 10% cut of its global workforce under pressure. So we read that part. And then some numbers were disclosed in notice to the states of Texas and California on Monday under a U.S. labor law that requires companies with 100 or more employees to notify in 60 days ahead of planned closing and mass layoff. So in that 10%, they will lay off people from California and Texas. So 3,332 jobs in California and eliminate 2,688 positions in Texas. That's really unfortunate. And he basically had a social media post that says Tesla has now created over 30,000 manufacturing jobs in California. What the fudge, man? You just laid off a bunch of people, though. Shares of the Austin, Texas-based automaker were up by about 2% ahead of the company's first quarter results that are due after markets on Tuesday, and set to break a 7-session losing streak that had dragged the stock down 19%. The job cuts in Texas represent 12% of Tesla's total workforce of 22,777 in the greater Austin area, where its Gigafactory and headquarters are located. The global job cuts would include 285 employees at its Buffalo, New York premises that houses the labeling team for its autopilot driver assistance software that makes fast charging equipment. I didn't even know they had like a division, like a area in New York too. So Tesla's headcount stood at more than 140,000 late last year, up from around 100,000 at the end of 2021. Wow. How do you read this graph? So this was the number of employees and Tesla's headcount and layoffs over the years. This is the total number of layoffs, I'm guessing? What? The EV makers layoff are set to total more than 35,000 workers once the action is completed this year. So is this... Well, how the fudge do you read this? So this is the employees that he has right now? Okay. Dude, lately there's been lots of like links. People posting links. Like view bots. I know, isn't it a terrible graph? So guys, you know what's pretty funny? This is actually indicating the fact that the total of this yellow bar, correct me if I'm wrong, is saying it's 35k, right? 35k, right? Then what's... But if they're laying off workers, shouldn't there be like a dip? or something. It just keeps going up, guys. So that's why it kind of confused me. So we knew April 5th, we read this, that Tesla had canceled their inexpensive car, expected to cost around $25,000, that investors have been counting on to drive mass market growth. Because, as you guys know, the EV cars are not doing that well. Hi. 안녕하세요. 일리다님? 챗GPT에 테슬라 최근 뉴스 5개 알려주고 그 뉴스가 주는 영향 알려주고 긍정인지 부정인지 적어줘 하면 잘 알려준다고요? 아 진짜? 우리 그거 그러면 좀 어느 정도 읽은 다음에 저희 테스트 해볼까요? 재밌겠다. So Korean chat is telling me that if you give Tesla 5 recent news and ask whether or not this news give the feedback of what the news is giving and ask ChatGPT whether it's good or positive or negative, it'll tell you. That's actually really fun to do. That's actually a fun try. Hi Alvo! Thank you for the raid.
Alvo Vision raided my stream with
everyone.
2 views.
Why is there no sound? Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hello. How was his stream? How was Alvo's stream? You just missed me saying SAP. SAP. 근데 그러면 우리가 테슬라 기사를 뉴스를 5개 넣으면 되는 거죠? 제가 그러면 그거를 메모를 해볼게요. 그거 정말 재밌는 테스트일 것 같아. I think that will be a really fun test to do if we feed ChatGPT 5 different 5 different news and give it an outcome. You need to use ChatGPT Premium to have ChatGPT access internet. That is effed up. Then we're gonna try Meta AI because that's for free right now, right? How much is 그 메타 AI 며칠 전에 출시했던 걸로 한번 테스트 해볼까요? 근데 걔가 2023년도까지이긴 해가지고 Let's try. No, actually, I think Mia said he subscribed to ChatGPT. Let me say that. Google Gemini? Ask Llama? Gemini, thank you. Gemini 아니에요? It's not Gemini? Gemini. 야, Gemini잖아 저거. That is Gemini, Mark. Oh my god. Just kidding. Thank you, Mark. Wait, I think Mia has subscribed to ChatGPT. Google Gemini. Gemini. So I still find English really hard because like it's mini, right? Like this is just side random story, but it's Gemini. So this is mini. This is J, right? So I feel like you should just pronounce this as Gemini. But it's Gemini. It's really hard. I really think English is hard. So continuing, that's all about Tesla. Oh, okay. But it's going to lay off. Actually, this would be a very interesting article to add in because Okay. Sometimes I think layoffs are... Well, layoffs in general is bad, right? It is bad because it's saying that you're trying to be... you're... In terms of money-wise, like, you don't want to use too much, and... what am I trying to say? So, layoffs are bad, but... it can also be good, right? In a sense. Don't you guys think so? Correct me if I'm wrong. Because here's what I'm thinking. So Musk is now saying, okay, we have no potentials in EVs, right? EVs is bad. Or EV does not work right now, as of right now, because of the infrastructure and everything. But now we're thinking of going into hybrid car? Was that what he was saying? So if we're trying to hire more in that field, like, maybe the investors can think of this as saying, you know, instead of holding on to something that has like no potential in the recent years, it's good that he's laying off all these people. No? Is this maybe not what I should talk about? Yeah, right? Yeah, like what Josh is saying, that's kind of what I'm thinking, because... So, maybe in the long run, and maybe that's why Tesla's stock for their earnings didn't drop as much, since this is actually really bad news to show, like, I think he said it, on the day of the earnings, of the quarterly results and everything. But it could also be his marketing techniques, marketing strategy, saying, hey, okay, this was our earnings, maybe it didn't satisfy you, but we're gonna switch everything around and... like, F you, EV cars for right now. We're gonna give you guys something that has more potential and that has more future, or something like that. etc, blah blah blah, right? So, that's why I think stock is hard. Stock is really hard. It's because English is a weird Frankenstein language which takes a bunch of words from other European languages, so all the pronunciation rules are mixed up. I have definitely agree on that. Gemini. Now it's gonna get stuck in my head, by the way. I'm wrong, thanks. Layoffs can signal you're cutting expenses to investors. Cutting expenses. Oh, that's true. Yeah, also if we know that the CEO now is using their brains to make an efficient way of spending money, would be also maybe a good news for investors. Maybe they might think that, Tesla is trying to save up money, which really sucks for the workers. Like, they're getting laid off in 60 days and they have to find a new job, which is also not easy, but... Also, Tesla still has no union, unless that's changed recently, so they can more easily shed people than some at the other car makers. Ah, yeah. Oh, GE also has a huge union too. Unions are pretty... Actually, it was my first time to... I don't want to say deal, because they weren't really bad people, but experience... Sorry, guys. Oh, sorry. Experience union, because I also worked at a factory, guys, right? So it was really difficult. Everything I wanted to do had to go through union, and I had to satisfy people in the union, and they hate office workers. So I felt like governor. I felt like a governor. I felt like I had the right side and the left side, right? The blue side and the red side, and I'm in the middle trying to manage both sides, which is really hard. They hate each other. They really hate each other. I mean, it really depends on what field or what department you are in, but normally they really hate each other. So I was just sitting there, be like, can we do this? I would go to the office and say, can we do this? Then they'll be like, no, you have to go through union, or this might have this thing, so go ask the union. I go to union, and it's not even like, can we do this? I'd be like, hi guys, how are you? Like, I just say it in a very nice and adorable, cute way. Sorry guys, bye. And then like, union, is it okay? So had a big restructure. The company has been broken up. Oh really? Oh, I didn't know about that. I kind of gave up on Learning about the company. Yeah. Union is a pretty interesting field. But anyways, yeah, so we'll have to see how this what Tesla will do in the future. But oh, sorry, my nose is super stuffy. But I think just in general, the Tesla it's at its lowest right now. Tesla is at their lowest, and this is just Jinri's random prediction that I'm going to make. But I feel like once he starts talking about hybrid, or if he starts having like a glimpse of hybridness or whatever he wanted to do, what was it, Airbus? Was it Airbus that he wanted? Oh, sorry guys. Airbus? That I think it has a chance to go up. I'm not gonna lie, Tesla is a nice company. I mean, I don't want to say it's a good company, but... Oh, really? Are you going... Oh, really? So maybe not buy it? Maybe not buy it? 안녕하세요, 데모니님. Moving on, we just looked at Tesla, which was pretty interesting. We should look at Visa. At this rate, I'll be just doing news all day, January. Oh my god, guys. At this rate, I am so slow. Sorry, Chad. Oh. But since I missed news and just watched Story of High for 3 hours, this is my outcome. Okay, we're gonna move at a faster tempo. Guys, hold on tight. Really? Yeah, even just this week's just so busy. So, let's look at Visa. Shut up, fish. No, we're not doing listen, or we're not doing new jeans. Go away. Oh, half of your portfolio reports next Tuesday? Guys, I have a question. If I want to restart doing stock trading and everything, do you think it's a great time to start now where every earning is being reported? Or should we wait on it till later? Oh, you invested in Coupang? Why is it up by 20%? Well, what's you guys's... What the fudge? Coupang 왜 이렇게 잘 됐어 갑자기? 아, 그러네. Hey, Josh, 48%거든. He's up by 48%. So, how much did he make? Let's calculate. So, wait, how do you calculate how much price? Wait, what? How much did you buy at, Josh? 잠깐만. Maybe. Just give me $48. I cannot calculate. Don't make me calculate today's money, but yeah. You just bought it at 17? 17에 마이너스 22. 얼마냐? Yeah, Josh, just give me $48 because you owe me $48 since your thing increased by 40%. Boss is not doing math anymore. So, let's look at Visa. Visa. You sold some? Okay, Josh, I'll give you a discount. Give me $40. You know our ground rule, Josh. 20% comes to boss when you make them. That's how our company rolls. Like OMG. I know it's in the contract. Did you not read the contract well, Josh? Anyways. Oh, no, guys, hold on tight to Josh. Don't make him leave, guys. Where does he think he's going? He has to pay up his debt. We lost our lawyer, so you have to find your own lawyer, Josh. Wait, no, I have to find my lawyer. Anyone a lawyer who wants to lawyer up Josh? He can be a physical lawyer too, like give me money, like boom, bum, bum. So Visa had their earning reports to this morning, and I guess it's doing actually better. They must have hit everything. Okay, so it seems that their profit surged 17% as consumer card spending. Isn't that weird? We're at inflation, right? But people, cause it's Visa card. Visa card잖아. Then Visa means credit card. Shut up, execution. Okay, guys, can we make a rule? Today, we are not mentioning the word hype, okay? Since I basically have an hour and 30 minutes to read the news and do K-pop music video reaction and do a little bit of programming before I go see my friends. I have no clue why I have like 5 things like registered. Today's a... Okay, here's the thing. If you guys say the word hype, adore, BTS, 미니진, 방시혁, new jeans, and old jeans, it costs you $10 to say it, okay? Any of these words will cost you $10. It's in the contract, guys. Everyone sign it. I signed it. And then... Oh, Josh said... Josh, now you owe me $50! Yeah, because it was gonna do $5, but because of inflation. Give me a second. 진짜 today, Josh, what? You're so nice today. You want to donate money to me. Debt list. Josh, $50. Okay. Is this like Genshin? Is this how Genshin plays? 간신 money. Hey, this is not 간신 money. This is just debt money. What? No, not 간신. I'm not like those girls who ask for 간신 money. It's just debt. This is business. This is literal, like legitimate business. This is how we roll. Anyways, so yeah. So consumer spending has made it increase. So it's typical. So maybe we can make a prediction. Correct me if I'm wrong. Inflation, if there's any inflation higher, if the inflation continues, banks, card company, has a chance to go up because the spending or debt or loan is higher than normal. 간신 is literally translated to 간신? 그러게. That's why I thought you guys were meaning Genshin Impact. I was like, what is this with Genshin? So, yeah. But anyways, right? Can we make this assumption? Assumption. Payment processor? But I mean, even if they are not American Express, they will have what is this? Fee? 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 When every time you use a credit card, right, you get like this is like, it's like PayPal, like 70 cents, right? But if that adds up, but banks don't really like fast changing rates. Fast changing rates. When you say fast changing rate, what does that mean? Fast changing rate, which is a risk with inflation. Fast changing rate. Is this, when you say rate, it's the Fed rate? And if the Fed rate makes lots of fast changes, why does bank not like that? 왜 안 좋아하지? Why would they not like it though? A lot of banks don't hold cash. Don't hold cash for every deposit and instead loans out. Ah. I get it. Maybe. Don't hold cash for every deposit and instead loans out. 그치. Banks don't hold the cash. They loan out the cash, right? They don't want money inside. They have to make investment with that money. But then if the rates go up, that debt is now worth less debt at current time. So any rates that keep fluctuating, then it may or may not be good for the bank. Unless it goes higher, right? If the rate continues to get higher, then it's good. So if they suddenly need cash, they are screwed. If they loan out 100 for 105, but the rate goes up. So now that 100 loan is worth only like 95. I can imagine what you are trying to say. So any quick changes. 그래서 you said fast changing rates are bad for bank. Fast changing rates. 그렇네. So kind of true, but not always. Because anyone buying a loan expects today's rate of return. So you have to discount it to match the increase rate. Oh, you know, there's so many things to think about. Money is not easy. You know, it's always hard to make money. But right now, it's not a fast changing... no, it was a fast changing rate because people, they were increasing it by 0.25 or 0.5. Though it did get steady. Because they were at, 5.5 for a while? Right? 그러네. So it was fast changing. It was a fast changing rate. Oh, now it's like connecting the dots when you said fast changing. 그치. Cause like we were at the time when we read how the rates were changing like every month or something. It wasn't that probably fast, but and in the finance world, that is considered a fast changing. Wow. Guys, isn't it amazing how what we learned like a couple of months ago is like all matching puzzles? You know, like, guys, I got smarter! 진짜. Guys, let me just say this. Okay, this is a side comment, but thanks to you guys, and I talk about this or I make good feedback to my father-in-law, then he is so proud of me. He's like, Jinri is studying. So you know what he said? He's like, Jinri, you should go back to school. I'm like, 네? He wants me to get doctor Doctorate. It's all because of you. But without you guys, then I cannot say this. But P&E가 32배라 상장주라 미래 실적 상장률이 적어도 okay, now this is a different issue. Now we have Korean chat talking about it in Korean, so it's gonna take a while. 32%? 잠깐만, PE가 뭐예요? What is PE? P&E? 이게 뭐였더라? Price earning ratio. Price earning ratio가 32배라. Price to Yeah, I'm streaming on Naver. 32배라? 성장주라. 어느 게 성장주지? 미래 실적 성장률이 적어도 30. 얘가요? 비자가? 비자가 왜 그렇게 되지? Guys, oh my god. So Korean chat is saying the P&E value is 32 times and it's an increasing stock, so there might be a chance of the future 실적 성장률. Ah, guys, there was like a I need a future 실적 성장률 Naver Dictionary. 영어 사전. 이 실적 성장률 이게 뭐야? 이 실적 performance growth rate? 성장률. I guess there's no English word for it. 뭐지? 32%가 어디서 나왔어요? 나 나중에 여기 있구나. 얘가 so he predicts that the P&E ratio is 32 times for Visa. So there would be maybe a chance for their future performance growth to increase 32%. P&E? 아니야? P2E. P2E. Sorry. Hey, you know how hard it is to translate from English to Korean, man? Hey, Fish, you do it. 뭔데? 왜? Why are you laughing? What is it? P-E? P/E? 해? So you're saying maybe there's potential of Visa doing well in the future. That's I think what the Korean chat was trying to say. 나 완전 이해했잖아. PE? Okay, you know what PE used to be? Exercising. You know, like Phi-Ed class. But 나 완전 이해했어요. 나 완전 저 사람 말 이해했어. Guys, I'm getting so smarter every day. So that was Visa. 잠깐만, guys, we are okay. So out of so Tuesday, I was supposed to look at GM, Tesla, UPS, Visa, GE, PepsiCo, Texas Instrument, Lockheed Martin, Spotify, Baker Hughes, and Mattel, which is that toy company, and JetBlue. Out of all those, I just did Tesla and Visa, guys. We gotta speed up. With this raid, we won't even be finished with Tuesday's earnings. GM, let's go look GM. What did you look at instead? No, it's tonight, after closing. 난 그런 거 참... So anyways, GM, what the heck? Had an... 뭐야 이거 떡상이 뭐 이렇게 올랐대 여기? There was an increase? At their earnings? They must have done well though. Oh look, there's an article for me. Time to buy GM stock after strong Q1 result. But I think just in general, Q1 result for General Motors was doing so well. Headline. What is... 역풍 맞았어. So actually GM is also thinking of going into EV? Winnie. Oni, stop talking for a sec. So shares are trading higher on Tuesday after the automaker reported better than expected first quarter result. Actually, the ones that we talked about today, most of them has done well. Visa, GM, Tesla did well. SAP is doing very well. I didn't know that a lot of people did that. Maybe Verizon was a little but yeah. So that's nice. That's really nice. They've been wanting to go on. So starting that GM is positioned very well for the road ahead. They said Okay, so for the EV companies are going to be really challenged with the EV slowdown. So I know a lot of companies are going to I heard Toyota wasn't thinking of going to EV and they were going instead to hybrid. So Toyota, I want to see how Toyota is doing. However, he emphasizes that GM has maintained exposure to internal combustion engine. Is building its own batteries and plans to launch numerous products in the latter half of the year as they expect EV demand to recover. Although GM is investing heavily in the EV space, Narayan is that who's Narayan? Oh, sorry, he's the auto analyst. 뭐야 저 사람? Anyways, he thinks that the majority of the company's first quarter revenue came from ICE, internal combustion engine vehicles. Really? So he highlights that the EV segment will boost margins due to pure scale benefits as the company plans to ramp up production and sales of its EV models. Oh. So then they talked to GM's CFO earlier this morning. So what? So what? So it wasn't, they expected it wasn't their EVs, but just the revenue from the ICE must have done so well. Or to make it increase by almost to $4. That's actually really good. 그다음에, guys, I have to move on. Next is UPS. UPS also did well. 뭐야? Is today such a great day? What? 뭐냐? So in terms of UPS, maybe I should have just read this one. There's a bunch of shares of GE, etc. Oh, there's something for me. Why is UPS stock up? UPS has done well. So used cost cutting to offset soft demands and deliver a first quarter beat. Investors appear more relieved than excited. Oh, sending UPS share up as much as 3% on the day and up 1.8% as of 11 p.m. So actually it's been tough for the major shipping companies because of COVID. That's true. Post-pandemic inventory restocking was probably hard. 맞아. This was actually a big issue during COVID, right? So in 2023, as informed about the health of the economy, large corporate customers look to cool their supply chain and cut back on expenses. Supply chain, wow. The trend continued through the first 3 quarters of where did I see first 3 quarters? First 3 months of 2024, where UPS earned $1.43 per share in the first quarter, beating Wall Street's $1.3 per share estimate. Oh, nice. But revenue of $12.7 billion was down 5.3% from last year and fell slightly below expectations. So UPS saw average daily volumes decline by 3.2% in the quarter at its US business and dropped 5.8% on international. But the company made up for it via cost cut, including a January announcement that it would shed 12,000 non-union jobs as part of a plan to trim costs by $1 billion. So this is probably office jobs, right? Actually, yeah, we need to cut people who don't work. That is very important. 일 안 하는 사람들 확 다 잘라버려야 돼. 인정? So our financial performance in the first quarter was in line with our expectations, and average daily volume in the US showed improvement through the quarter. Looking ahead, we expect to return to volume and revenue growth. I just feel like there's a huge layoff lately. Is it kind of like a layoff trend for a lot of companies? Is UPS stock a buy post earnings? The question is when volume and revenue growth will recover. UPS reiterated its previous guidance for full year revenue of between $92 billion and $94.5 billion. Oh. So the company is doing its best to focus on higher margin revenues, including healthcare related deliveries. Oh, I didn't know they have a specific one for healthcare. And recently won a big contract to replace rival FedEx as the largest air cargo service provider to the US Post Service. US Postal Service. Postal Service. UPS will be fine in the long term, but there is a little reason to rush into the shares now. What, they actually say something about these? Oh. Dude, the stock advisor analyst team just identified what they believe are the 10 best stocks for investors to buy now. UPS was not part of them. I can't believe they actually say something. But I don't like, how would you make UPS business better? It's a delivery company, right? And customer wants safe and fast deliverables. Well, if they were individual customers, they want safe and fast deliverables. How would they do that? What are you guys? Hopefully layoffs will help consumer spending decrease and crash our market to finally bring inflation down. That'd be so sad though if oh no, 12,000 is so much. I think UPS should make a... You don't want to crash. Oh, okay. I forgot what I wanted to say. Let's move on. I forgot what I wanted to say. Oh, let's look up GE. Oh, GE. Ah, so they have now all different divisions. Ooh. So do they only have GE Aerospace and GE Healthcare? What happened to GE Aviation? Oh. So GE Healthcare wasn't what was revealed yesterday. How come their stock is doing so well though? And they actually have divided. Oh 뭐야?
아니 이더리움 월간 스테이킹 유입량이 역대 최다라는데 도대체 스테이킹을 넣었는데 왜 이더리움의 가격 상승은 없는 거냐?
노래 꺼야 돼.
아 당장은 하방이 더 힘이 세 보이는데 안 좋아 보인다. 아 그냥 잠이나 잘 걸. 제가 자는 거 같이 보이지만 아까도 누워있을 때 머릿속으로 차트 작도하고 있었어요. 제가 지금 머릿속에 4시간 봉 차트를 지금 그려본 결과 이번 4시간 봉은 양봉이 뜰 때가 됐어. 그리고 거시적 경제 패턴을 분석해본 결과 1070까지 이상의 상승 하락 프랙탈 패턴이 전부 다 머리에 있거든요. 987번째 프랙탈이 현재의 비트코인 차트와 아주 유사하다는 결론이 나왔어요. 이더는 진짜 답이 없구나. 이번 매매는 다 이더 때문에 주졌다 얘들아.
And I guess he was trying to trade in Ethereum. And while he was sleeping,
진짜 고소해.
so SEC has reported Binance. That's why Bitcoin was dropping. Oh my god!
오 뭐야 나이스. 시계더라. 아 근데 이 이더리움이 문제네요. 이더리움을 나와야 되는데. 여기서 하단으로 추가로 빠지면 나가죠. 아 이거는
Purchase more? Because it's dropping? To leverage out.
근데 여기서 반등함 할만해. 여기서 반등함 할만해.
He keeps buying Bitcoin,
전절을 깼네.
thinking that it'll go back up.
나 20개만 정리하고.
And now he sold.
아 저기가 바닥이 아니면 이제 머리가 아파지는데.
He bought more? 추가 매수구나. Oh! He bought more because it's dropped? Hoping you'll go up?
아 근데 여기 하단은 생각해본 적이 없는데 26,200 하단은.
Sold? Going down? Bought more? Bought more? Sold? Sold? What more? Smoking? Sold? 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 What more? Sorry.
완전 마탱이 같네.
Ooh.
애들 다 청산 나야 끝나는 싸움인가 보다.
Please again.
이건 안 되겠다. 아니 15분분 씨발 개그맨 진짜.
Now he's swearing?
지랄 났네 15분분 진짜. 아니 근데 이게
No, they
FTX
cheated
마냥 이렇게 떨어질 건지 잘 모르겠네.
20만 불? He lost 20k.
못하겠다 나는. 못하겠다 나는. 쉬고 내일 다시 하자.
Well, next one, he bought 300. Oh, it went up.
머리야.
He
자다가
earned everything that you
지금
lost
일어났다.
yesterday.
야 폭발하는데? 내가 50개 쇼.
익절이 뭐야?
올라갈 때마다 분할로 입절하겠습니다. 100개만 들고 있지. 나 어제 근데 멘탈 너무 부서졌다. 근데 장난질 너무 심하다 세력. 이거 수면 매매가 다.
수익 본체로 can I handle day trading? Do you want me to get stressed? I actually wanted to try day trading. 재밌네, guys. Should we do Bitcoin? Hey, should we? That's actually fun content, guys. Should we say some 가자s and do some dancing? Yeah, I don't even know why I worked at crypto. Because it's just 24 hours. It's just exhausting, right? Guys, it's already 11. Can you believe it? They didn't cancel, so I have to leave in an hour. I didn't even get to look at PepsiCo and the Texas Instrument.
예, 한 번 가면 여러분들 빠꾸 없는 거 아시죠? 자, 시작됐나요?
뭐야, 저런 것도 있었어?
자, 털려봐. 남자는 양, 회장은 촤! 우와, 뭐야? 가만있어 봐. 야, 더 간다. 야, 좆된다. 1억. 잠깐만.
He made $10,000.
잠깐만.
Will he sell?
나오자. 1억이 취하는 야, 이 씨부라 사고 쳤어.
He bought $10,000 in
이게 탈레반이죠.
in 1 minute.
야,
with
좆받았다. 존나 섹시했다 얘들아. 순식간에 1억을 찍었어요. 바로 지리고 왔습니다 여러분들. 진짜 고맙습니다. 정말 고맙습니다.
So if you see these videos, don't you guys just want to invest in money? By the way, we finished Icheon! Let's go to Icheon! 언제 가냐? Let's go next week. Icheon 가자 내일. You mean casino? By the way, thank you everyone for helping me finish my Icheon trip. Thank you guys. I'll be going out to Icheon soon. For a day trip. And then figure out our next travel tips. Oh really? No, I was gonna go to Icheon. Icheon 가야죠. No. No. No, fish. You are a bad example. How can you say that, fish? Well, where the fudge is that? Oh, anyways. No, Josh. You guys are bad influence. Okay. Guys, I am going to be sorry, but I think we have to move on to K-pop. Icheon to private jet? 안 돼! No! No! Josh, that's how it starts being... That's how it becomes a, That's how it becomes from just a Kia car to Bentley. With all these investments. 안 돼! Okay, guys, listen, we really... I really have to do K-pop because there's lots of idol groups today. Oh, and I know the girls are going to be out for so long. Oh, crypto trading will go from Kia to bicycle. 안 돼! Okay, guys, let's move on. That was all for today's reading. I cannot. I'm so sorry today. Why did I put a schedule? Guys, I hate going out to see friends. Okay, I love reading news with you guys, but yeah, we're not gonna stream today. You know what was gonna happen even earlier? We were going to do dancing stream. Thank God we didn't do dancing stream. Okay, anyways, moving on. We are going to do K-pop. Let's move on to K-pop. K-pop, K-pop, K-pop. 잠깐만.